Imam Khomeini, who came like Prophet Abraham and destroyed the idols of the time, who came like Prophet Muhammad as a guide and fought the enemies of truth to awaken the masses, who in the spirit of Imam Ali showed us that there is nothing to fear when one has faith, who changed us from worshiping the stars and stripes or the hammer and sickle to reconfirming our belief in La ilaha illallah, who changed the balance of power in the modern world. Only you, Imam Ruhollah Khomeini, who gave us hope when no one would believe that we could be victorious, who told us to go forward in the face of danger to secure the revolution, who was a guide during the darkest times, who was a leader who was sent to revive Islamic thought, who was the son of Ali and Fatima, who taught us the value of Ali and Fatima. Only you, Imam Ruhollah Khomeini, who taught us that the Ahl Bayt should be our example and not the idols of the East or West, who taught us to have confidence in who we are and our possibilities, who taught us to stand firm in the face of our enemies, never flinching, never batting an eye, who taught us that we must relearn our religion, rethink, reflect, and not allow the religion to be only something reflecting 1400 years ago, but one reflecting solutions for modern problems. Only you, Imam Ruhollah Khomeini. You broke the idol of global arrogance, O Imam. You taught us the meaning of self-reliance, O Imam. You showed us the path of independence, O Imam. You reignited our pride in Islam, O Imam. You turned the world upside down. You, the hope of the oppressed. You, the enemy of the oppressor. And we salute and praise you, O Imam Ruhollah Khomeini.